Jai Hind, Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. Time to read a story. This was the picture which was shown to you yesterday. And if you can see, there's a farmer which is looking at far away. I mean, it can be generally farmer because if you see this. और देखो ये नंगे पैर नहीं है, जूतियां पहना हुआ एकदम ट्रेडिशनल अटायर में है, सर पे पगड़ी है. इट मे बी रिवर, इट मे बी सम काइंड ऑफ फील्ड्स और स्लाइटली हिली टेरेन और मे बी kind of a riverside area. It can be anything. So that depends on imagination, and let's read about your story, how you have written. Character 1, gender male, age 40, neutral, theme divert excessive rain water to the canal. प्रकाश इज ए फार्मर. ये अच्छा, जब आप लिखते हो ना प्रकाश इज ए फार्मर से इनकम्प्लीट इंट्रोडक्शन जो मैं पहले ही बता चुका हूँ, आपको एरिया बताना पड़ेगा. तो आपने नाम बोल दिया, एज निकाल दी, ठीक है. इवन इफ आई एक्सेप्ट दिस कि आप नहीं लिख रहे हो, हमें प्रकाश एज सम 35, इट 40, 20, 21 अपनी एज ग्रुप में भी डालना चाहो तो ऑफकोर्स नॉट इन 17, 18. एंड इज ए फार्मर फ्रॉम, और ए फार्मर फ्रॉम पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, कुछ गाँव का कुछ जगह का नाम. He has sowed the soybean crop recently, but after a week it started raining heavily, and his field were fully filled with water that could affect badly his crop. So he made a drain from his field and connected it to the lake to store that water. The excessive water of the field went into the lake. He suggested the ideas to other people. They also followed the same thing. बड़ी सिंपल सा स्टोरी है. I mean, I'll not say बेकार स्टोरी है, बिल्कुल रिलेवेंट स्टोरी है. वेरी सिंपल विद नथिंग मच मोर. उसके पानी, खेत में पानी भरा, उसने निकाल दिया, or nothing else. So I think I was expecting a bit more in this one, this kind of a story. Let's see the story of Raj Verma. Saving crop from excessive rainwater. Ramlal, 35, was a farmer, lived in village Sonpur. This is how you write it. He sowed the wheat in his field. After a few days, the weather was very bad and started heavy rain. Rainwater filled in his field in excessive amount because wheat crop required less water. So Ramlal decided to extract this excessive water. अब देखो उसमें और इसमें अंतर है. ये भी अपने खेत में काम कर रहा है, उसने भी अपने खेत में काम किया, बट ही सेड वीट है और वीट में इतना पानी नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए उसने उसको निकालने की कोशिश की. इट्स वेरी मोर डिटेल. सो इनफैक्ट आई लाइक द स्टोरी टिल नाउ. वी सी फर्दर. Narrow basin to connect them to self-made Hughes pit. He pumped out his water from Hughes pit to nearby canal with the help of pumping set engine. This plant other farmer also by this way they saved their crop. Ramlal used this excessive water from canal for irrigation purpose later when required. The farmer thanked Ramlal for his guidance. Ramlal left satisfied with his effort. That's a good story. If narrated well, Raj Verma, you are surely, I'll say, in for this. Age 1. Okay, Kushal Naik. Sanjay was a 25-year-old student of BSc in fishing graduate. His village is near to the sea. He usually spend time, as I told you, you can see the coastal area also if you want. He usually spend time for fishing and plan to do for and plan, maybe spelling mistake, to do for fishing transportation. He meets with local authority and nearby fishing department. He presents a plan, convince them for the etc. I mean, convince them his plan is productive. And his plan was approved by the fishing department. As per the plan, he made a suitable area for fishing. He collect boat and net to catch fish. They catch huge amount of fish. I mean, I will not go ahead with this because ek to kuch, when you say more action doesn't mean you keep saying anything. What are your actions? You are writing so much, but there is no content per se. There is no actual action per se. What is your plan? You give a good plan, you convince people for a good plan, but what is the plan? I want to know the plan, so I may not say yes for this. ठीक है, but this I mean, ऐसा नहीं है कि इसका थीम बेकार है. इट कुड हैव बीन इनटू दिस थीम आल्सो, क्योंकि पिक्चर में दिखाया गया इज पॉइंटिंग आउट स्टैंडिंग ही में भी फिशरमैन एंड ऑल, दो कोई बोट वोट नहीं दिखाया गया, बट स्टिल डिस्पाइट थीम कुड हैव बीन ओके. The story is not well written. It's very generalized story, so I may not go ahead with this kind of a story. Okay, Himanshu Singh. Let's read because the pen be like. Watering his crop. 40-year-old farmer. He lives in the village of Western UP. Is an educated farmer. ये सारा का सारा आपका एक लाइन में आ सकता था. राम इज ए 40-year-old lives in a. सोचो आप 3 लाइन कैसे एक लाइन में हो सकती है. There was no rain in his village for 2 years. Every farmer of this village was tense due to no crops. So Ram called all farmer of this village and say them to write an application to district magistrate for our problem. Ram wrote an application, submit to the district magistrate office. Some days, district magistrate react his application and give the order of to dam security. Maybe he want to say कि dam का security to leave water so the farmer might water their crop when water leave from dam नहीं होता है बच्चा, dam होता है. And rich farmer felt to see water to his field. Ram became very happy and all farmers. So I will surely say no to this story because you have not done anything other than writing a letter. आपको वो भी लगता है कि ये भी बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है, उसके लिए भी आपको एक appreciation चाहिए. एंड लाइक ऑल फार्मर विलेज अप्रिशिएटेड हिम एंड ऑल जस्ट बिकॉज सारा काम तो डीएम ने किया. उसने उसको बोला 2 साल से बारिश नहीं पड़ी, 2 साल से पानी नहीं आया, एंड यू सेइंग कि आप 2 साल के बाद अब किस चीज़ पे आए हो, यू राइटिंग ए लेटर टू हिम. तो दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल, दैट इज नॉट ए गुड स्टोरी. आई विल श्योरली से नो टू दिस. ठीक है, तो देखा कितनी बार आपको ऐसा लगेगा. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि व्हेन पिक्चर सीम्स वेरी क्लियर, you know what is the theme, but how story can go wrong, and how a good story is differentiating from the normal story which may take you no and to this. These are very small story, but जैसे I perceive one character from the story whose name is Ram, is of age group 45 to 50. He lives in Rajasthan. Again एक पूरी लाइन में आ सकता था ये, और राजस्थान में भी be very specific. Where do you want to say? It was farming which is very difficult in Rajasthan as most land was desert. So in his free time he used to stand alone, see the animals wandering there. If he found any animal, then he used to feed him water. He also cure any animal if he found any injury. कर क्या रहे वो, मतलब वहाँ एग्रीकल्चर कर रहे हैं, एग्रीकल्चर हो नहीं रहा है, पानी का प्रॉब्लम है. You told so many problems and then second, then he used to look after animals. That is a very irrelevant story going in a very different direction. Again, it's a no to this kind of a story. Sorry guys, it's not like I want to demean, I want to put you down, but main purpose of this video कि आप अपने स्टोरी सही से लिखो, आप समझो कि how you can further improve your story. क्योंकि मेरे यस और नो बोलने यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होगा. इट इज फाइनली व्हाट डू यू डू इन एसएसबी, उसी के परस्पेक्टिव से मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि हाउ यू कैन improve your story. From the picture I perceive one male character, age 25, mood positive, action construction of road in the village. They are 25, recently elected Sarpanch of Raipur village. He observed that his village was facing problems of bad road condition. It leads to accident, potholes, uneven surface, causing discomfort to people, etc. So he holded a meeting in which villagers are also presented same view in this matter and asked for the construction of road. Dayal as a Sarpanch went to Zilla Parishad and asked for the allocation of fund for road construction as soon as possible. After the fund allocation, he made sure road is built properly by skilled worker. Construction of road accident cases declined. No potholes and no discomfort for 2 to 4 wheeler vehicle. Villager appreciated the work of their Sarpanch. Dayal too was happy to perform his duty and working for his village. If you ask me, Sunya Kumari, but if you ask me about the story is very well written. I mean, अगर आपका concept ठीक है तो, however सरपंच हो सकता है, उसमें कोई problem नहीं है, but road का कुछ दिखाया नहीं गया. But despite this, the way you have written, if you are able to narrate it well, because बहुत ज़्यादा वो ना अलग नहीं जा रही है, गांव के थीम पर है, but you are bringing out all these meetings, I still say yes if you narrate it well and you also participate in the discussion later. Let me see last 2 more stories. Okay. Effects of climate change. Raghumal 26 positive is an IT graduate from NIT University राजस्थान इन BA इन रूरल डेवलपमेंट. देखो अभी क्या है, आप लिखते हो NIIT में गया है, राइट, राजस्थान में इन BA इन रूरल डेवलपमेंट. आप खुद ही सोचो इस इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में. I want to comment now. He used to work for daily wages in his village where he noticed that arid land of the desert is increasing the area. He used to work for daily wages. I mean, you want to say कि वो daily wage worker है, उसने ग्रेजुएशन किया लेकिन फिर भी मजदूरी कर रहा है. That is, I mean, I don't want to go ahead further because आपने जो यूनिवर्सिटी दी उसके बाद आपने उसका जो काम बताया, that itself is not matching with each other. Increasing deforestation, increasing lack of water availability in that area. तो ये बेटा बहुत जरूरी आपको चेंज करना. इसके आगे देखते हैं क्या है. He thought about this and find a solution, but to implement this he needed a group of young generation. So he made a self-help group and started spreading awareness about this problem. He suggested people to plant trees, use public transport, and also made women aware of government schemes as Ujjwala 2.0. Seeing this, the MLA of the area also came forward and set up a pipeline of water in that village. Raghu was praised by all the people and MLA of his area. Story could have been much better. थीम में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप किसी चीज़ को लेके चल रहे हो, आपके एक्शंस में एक तो प्रॉब्लम है, आपने सिर्फ ज्ञान बांटा है. यू आर ए प्रीचर अदर देन डूइंग डूअर. आपने लोगों को बताया, लोगों को पता होता है बहुत सारे इसका, आपने कैसे उसको करवाया. इफ यू से हाउ यू आर इन्वॉल्व अदर देन स्प्रेडिंग अवेयरनेस के साथ साथ, हाउ यू व्हाट डिड यू डू एज ए हीरो. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, पहला वाला बात ही इतना होगा कि उसके कारण ही लाइक हाउ यू हैव पुट ए इंट्रोडक्शन एंड द प्रॉब्लम, people may say no. I'll surely say no to this story. Okay, let me see the last one. Let's take this one. Very short story though. Okay, joining job. Amit, 20 number of character 2. That is slightly different. सबने एक लिखा, आपने दो कैसे देख लिए. Mood positive, theme joining job. 21 old living his parent in जैसलमेर. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग ग्रेजुएशन स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एसएससी एग्जाम. अब देखो ये स्टोरी ऐसा है जो बिल्कुल ही इररिलेवेंट है फ्रॉम द थीम विच इज शोन. अगर आप जो आपको स्टिमुलस दिया हो, यानी जो पिक्चर दिखाया गया, अगर आप उससे क्लू नहीं ले रहे हो, इट इज नॉट ए गुड स्टोरी. तो आपने पूरा का पूरा वो सब निकाल दिए. श्योरली विल बी नो टू दिस. लेट्स मी टेक वन गुड स्टोरी नाउ. And देखो, when you say practicing agroforestry to increase farm income, I would have loved this action if you say to increase productivity. तो इनकम ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी बढ़ जाएगी जब प्रोडक्टिविटी आपकी बढ़ रही है. बट आपका विजन एकदम क्लियर है, मुझे प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ानी है. नाउ डोंट थिंक टू मच अबाउट मनी है. Sachin 24 pursuing or spelling mistake. Okay, BSc Agriculture in Kerala Agriculture University. While he visited his village, he saw barren land left uncultivated. He asked his father why the. अच्छा, एक और चीज है. I'll tell you one more thing. देखो, आपका अवेयरनेस भी पता होता है. यू आर सेइंग ही इज फ्रॉम केरला एंड द काइंड ऑफ ड्रेस इज वाज शोन, समबडी इज सेइंग राजस्थान. आई लाइक इट बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ राजस्थान और मे बी अनदर नदर्न इंडिया में इस तरह का पहनते हैं. अगर ये केरला होता तो उधर इस तरह का जो उसमें साफा बांधा हुआ है, जो हेड गियर लगाया हुआ है, जिस तरह से धोती पहना हुआ है, दैट इज नॉट इन द केरला. दैट इज ऑल्सो समबडी, व्हेन यू मेंशन इट देन वी नोटिस इट. He convinced his father about growing forest trees in the barren land and benefit like increasing nitrogen, fixing ability of the trans. Then he went to nearby forest nursery, bought trees planted in a row with the help of his father. It could have been a better story. Sentence को reframe करना है. Ganesh, story is okay, theme is also okay. Slightly change, instead of income, write productivity and जो area है वो सही बताओ. Then story को थोड़ा अगर sentence को ठीक करोगे, theme is quite good and could have been better. And if you narrate it well, you surely get in. I hope you get the today what I wanted to say, and take away from today is आपका जो स्टोरी है वो पिक्चर से निकलना चाहिए, जो थीम दिखाया गया है उससे निकलना चाहिए. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, व्हेन यू मेक ए स्टोरी, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व, ही इज स्टैंडिंग, ही इज लुकिंग एट मे बी क्रॉप्स, मे बी सम एरिया, इवन बैरन लैंड को ठीक करना है, कैसे करना है. ऑल स्टोरीज आर गुड, बट you are saying going to join a job or making something else is slightly different. So आपका जो थीम है वो इससे बाहर निकल के आना चाहिए, ना कि अदर वे राउंड कि आप अपने स्टोरीज पे इम्पोज करो. I hope you get this point. See you tomorrow with your the next picture, new story. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.